Okay, YouTube is live, which is what it was supposed to be the whole time. And then Twitch.tv. I should be live on Twitch as well. I am live on Twitch. Okay, good. Everything works. I was able to swap between the two. Incredible. Incredible. Okay. So. Hi, YouTube. I have been live for like the last... hour? 2 hours? Something like that? I wasn't really paying attention. We were testing the code. I figured out the problems with the code from the portal stuff. The portal stuff now works. I'm pretty sure I figured out the problems with that. It was something to do with the socket timeout. I never had a socket timeout. I had the socket timeout. It times out properly. That all works. And now we're just literally just testing stuff on various NES games because it was a fun way of...
I was expecting you to come back.
It's a fun way to test it.
Meow.
So, oh my god. Yep, that is a thing that you can do now. It costs a lot of channel points. But yeah, so this is literally just the same kind of like Python code from the portal
I can
thing.
do it 8 more times.
But yeah, now it can play NES games. That is literally all this is. Also, Jordan is shouting about Dota in the other room. If it gets picked up, I'm sorry. I left the door slightly open earlier by accident. It's fine. It's getting very angry at Dota. So yeah, I don't know why I'm telling you to check what's going on really, because I don't care about YouTube. Documented YouTube here. But yeah, so now I also did a thing where I need to press F10 for it to actually start picking stuff up. So, in 3, 2, 1, Twitch chat is now live, and can now play Legend of Zelda.
Left.
This is...
Left.
functioning. This is functioning. Which is honestly amazing to me.
Left up.
Oh my god, you almost went in, like, perfectly. What the fuck? Holy shit. I don't even know, like, what,
Up.
like, kind of goal we should set for this, like, realistically. Because I don't know, like, what necessarily would be a feasible, like a good stopping point for this. I shouldn't really be turning this into, like, a thing of you guys just play NES games now and I'll just sit here and cheer you on, but I kind of want to.
I've never played the original Zelda, so I have no point of reference.
I've played it, like, a handful of times, but I've never finished it. I think I've done, like, the first dungeon and that's it, because after that point it's very easy to just get lost and have no idea where you're going. The first dungeon is inside a dead tree, by the way. It's on, like, an island. Like, there's a bridge that, like, that heads over to the left, and it's just an island with a dead tree in it, and that's where the first dungeon is. So I guess if we can... Oh my god. So I guess if we can, like, do the first dungeon, that would probably be a good... Okay, yeah, we've done something, we've accomplished something. I don't know if we're gonna be able to beat the first dungeon, by the way. I think it's to the left. I think it's left.
Hold down.
You cannot hold down, unfortunately. I probably should add the hold, like, directions in, to be fair. That'll probably be a good thing to add.
Down.
Just spam down. It's fine. You can just spam. Just spam in chat. That's kind of the point of the stream anyway. The point of the stream was to test the code, and spamming is a good way of testing the code, so...
Down.
Can you even fit through that gap? Oh my god, where? The value, the random, like, number of frames that I picked seem to be working really well. Okay, you need to go left and up, like, immediately. Or attack? Press A, I guess? I don't know. I'm just watching. I'm just an observer.
Left, up.
Oh no.
I'm freaking out. Left. Up, 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 up.
Okay. I think I need to go further left. So I think I need to get past the delicious Octo Rocks,
I'm
as
so hungry.
the king would say. Or as Link would say. That was Link. That was Link that said that. My bad. Forgetting the CDI law. You might need to attack this one in front of you, because it looks like it's just not moving. Or...
Passer.
Or you could move.
Pesp.
Pesp. You're missing the R!
My R key ISNT working.
Well, copy it. Copy it from that message into, like, just write the word press and copy it, and then be ready to paste it whenever you need
Presser.
it. Presser. Did that actually do something? I don't know if that actually did anything. It might be B that you need to press, I don't know.
Pressed.
Is that even working? Did I fuck something up? You have the oh, you know, it says at the top it's A. A should work. Why is A not working? Wait, hold on. Did I break something? Did I do that? It should be X. Yeah, X should work. I'm gonna double check. Press A is X, so that should...
You broke Link.
Unless it requires, like, more of a delay for this, maybe. Let me have a look. Wait, you can't attack? Wait, what? It doesn't work. What?
Emulator broken. Heistus.
Good job after 13
Oh wait, we can't
years,
say Heistus anymore. Elmore's dead.
Yeah, Elmir got fucking executed. He, like, went out back and, like, jumped off a bridge or something. I don't know what's happening. I'll be totally honest. I do not know why this isn't working. Because it should let you press A, but you cannot press A. Am I just stupid? Wait, what? Okay, you just can't press A on the edge of the screen? Okay, there we go. So it works. You just can't press A on the edge of the screen.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Presser.
Yeah, it works. You just have to... Okay. You just can't be on the edge of the screen. I did not know that. That is fucking stupid. You're about to die.
The spam thing.
The spam thing? Oh, is there still a slow mode? Did John never get rid of the slow mode? Oh, sorry, wait, hold on, yeah, there's...
I can't send the same message less than 30 seconds.
Oh. Oh, there's just a spam thing. I see. Well, I can do something that might be able to alleviate that a little bit.
Why are you flirting with Copilot?
Because Copilot gave me good advice, is why. 1 second. I know what to add VIP, visit the achievements, I need more VIP slots.
Jordan_SDS said, did you give up on chess?
Eddie was really bad at chess, it turns out. So, visit the achievements page. Do I have to visit the achievements page? Wait, hold on.
EddieBoy94 said, do I need VIP to send
I don't even know where the
messages?
achievements are. This menu has changed so much over the years. I don't even know where the fuck
Jordan_SDS
achievements
said,
are anymore.
Believable.
Is it build a community?
I can solve the problem.
Get 10 people chatting at the same
Eddie
time.
Boy
Apparently I've not done
94
that,
said,
so we
I don't know what
can't.
the fuck chess is.
We only
Cut me
have
some slack.
so many VIP roles. And these are the people who have a VIP, I guess. Psy need to be VIP? Does Psy really need to be VIP? I mean, come on. Come on, Psy.
Jordan_SDS said, PSY are Eddie though.
That is true. That is entirely valid. Okay, yeah, I guess you're just gonna have to struggle with the 30-second delay. Is it like R9K? Do I have like R9K on or something? Oh, they removed R9K. When did they remove R9K? Wait, when did they remove R9K mode? Let me have a look. Delete poll. Announce purple? Announce orange? What? Goal? Goal? What is goal? Wait. What does goal do? Oh, that opens this menu. Oh, I wondered how to open this menu because I couldn't fucking find it ever again. Oh my god, this menu is here. Based on channels of your size, we recommend a goal of 290 followers. Okay. Sure? Start goal. Okay, you can't just time out Eddie.
I fixed the problem.
You can't just time out Eddie. I mean, you can.
Now
but...
he can't talk at all.
What is... Add a browser overlay, customize progress bar? Set up goal alerts.
I don't know how
Customize
to
your
fix
goal
that, by the way.
alerts? You can just do /untimeout works. Yeah, there you go. Subscription.
Found it.
What are even in these? I don't even know what these goals are. All I know is I've got them enabled. I don't even know what they do. Automatically level up your goal upon... Based on channels yours, I'd recommend a goal of 10 total sub points. I mean, that's only one away. Hold on. Yeah, hold on, wait, end goal? Wait. I'll just let it do whatever the fuck Twitch wants. I don't know what Twitch wants to do. Sure, 10 total sub points. Wow. What is a sub point? What is a sub point versus sub? I don't know what that is. Sure, 10 sub points. One more sub point to go. Okay. Bits.
So, it's like a dom point, but submissive.
New bits? Goal amount? It doesn't recommend... It doesn't recommend these. What if I just enable all of these? Fuck, I was gonna enable all of these. I don't know what the fuck these are. This one doesn't say that it automatically updates though. It just says 1,000 new bits. Like, what if I just- wait, hold on, what if I set it to 1? What if I set it to 1 new bit? Hold on. I want 1 bit. A single bit. But you can- but wait, my channel is set up so you can only give bits in like tens. So...
Maybe you should get back on track.
There we go, 1 bit, but you can only give 10 bits minimum, so... Okay. Plus program? So like the plus level, a number of points. I don't know what this is. I do not know what the fuck this is. What is the plus program? Also, I think before I set up the follower goal, I think I had something else under it. Hold on. Wait,
Get
let me
out of the rabbit hole.
that again. Description optional, e.g. help me get to affiliate. I'm already an affiliate. You know what? Help me get to affiliate. That's what it recommends.
Help me get money.
Help me buy shit. Help me spend money and buy shit. Yeah. Followers don't do that though. Followers don't help me spend. It doesn't say help me get to affiliate. I typed that in. It just says 14 followers to go. It doesn't actually say the thing that I typed in. This sucks. This fucking
Just push the help.
sucks. Okay, I'll just do help. Yeah, that sounds funny. Wait, slash go. There we go. Help. It doesn't say anything. There's nothing shows up. Why does it give me the? Okay.
It does.
It does? I don't see it. What other things are there?
The banner that appeared over chat.
Oh, it said it in there. Okay, that makes sense.
Literally appeared on stream.
Oh, well, I wasn't looking at the banner, so...
You're just blind.
Monitor? Start monitoring a user's messages. Okay. Can... Raid? We can raid someone. I'm still live, but we can raid someone. Shared chat? Start a new shared chat or join in your join one in your existing collaboration? What? You chat with a... I don't think there's anyone...
You share chat with a streamer.
I don't think there's anyone live for me to...
So your chats merge.
This I haven't spoken to Aurora in so fucking long. It's been years. How awful would it be if I just, like, knocked to collaborate right now? That sounds terrible. Yeah, I haven't spoken to them in so long. This sounds like a terrible idea.
It is.
I don't want to do it because the button's there.
Resist the urge.
I really want to press knock. I really want to press knock. What if I just go into the chat, say hi, and then knock and say I'm knocking by the way, and that's it. Rainbow Six. Okay, cool. I could do this. Like Minecraft right now. This is just uncalled for. I'm not doing that. I might. I'm tempted, but I'm going to not do it. Not this time. Anyway. Channel put reward requests. I don't have any reward requests queued. Because I think all my rewards just bypass the queue anyway. Like none of them actually go to a queue. So. Restrict. Start restricting a user's messages? What does that mean?
Sadly, only you can do that shit. I can't. Sad
Slow
face.
mode, subscribers only, timeout, untimeout, unique chat? Oh, is that what it is? Wait, hold on, unique chat off. The room is not in unique chat mode. It was never in unique chat mode. Okay, I don't know why the fuck you can only send one message every 30 seconds. Which things, I guess. You can block people, you can change your colour, you can gift subs, you can look at the mods, you can look at the VIPs, you can vote. Remember to vote.
Wait.
Prediction.
Freer is here.
I can do prediction. Wait, what is this? Which duck will survive? Jordan winner? What the fuck is this?
Avo0n said. Beest Viwers on Boost Fly.
Oh, well, now you can do something.
Jordan underscore SDS said. Duck game thingy.
Sick. Manage prediction. Wait, but... Okay. Okay, sure. Will Emma guess the engine first try? Oh, Big Oil! Big Oil? Did I do a Big Oil prediction? The fuck? Why are these my only two previous predictions? I've done 2 predictions for fucking Big Oil and Plastic Duck Simulator, that's it. I need to know our predictions. I don't know what the fuck prediction to do, but I need to do more predictions. Will ever get back on track? Okay, well the thing is, that's not a real prediction. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's a poll. Oh, okay. I see. I thought that was a prediction. The real question is, will I get back on track? Yes or no? That's the real prediction. Confirmed prediction. We'll need to confirm the outcome in 24 hours. Once you start a prediction, you cannot change it except to delete or close submissions. Okay. There you go, prediction started. Will I get back on track? I really want to knock. Wait, did... Oh no, don't tell me the stream ended. Wait, no. Wait, no. Wait, no. Wait, no. No. I was gonna knock. Oh, they're still alive. Okay, that's fine. They're still alive. I could knock. I think that'd be really funny. I think knocking would be really funny. Because like, neither of us are doing anything related to each other. I think that'd be really funny. And I haven't... The only thing that would make it awkward is the fact that I haven't spoken to them in years. That's not true. I think I've engaged with them a few times on, like, Twitter and Blue Sky. Like a handful of times. They just knock with no context. This is such an awful...
Oh, did my timeout run out?
You got onto Jordan untimed you out like immediately afterwards. Well, it was like 20 days or something, the timeout. Like, oh, it was like 2 hours. 2 hours, 46 minutes and 40 seconds. It did not expire that fast.
EddieBoy94 said, I was timed out for 3 hours, so I left.
I mean...
Asterisk I saw.
I mean, you were literally, like, untimed out, like, immediately afterwards. I really want to just knock. And... with no context at all. And just... join the chats for no reason. That sounds so terrible. Because the chat... So we're not even, like, playing the same thing. Like, the chats will just be completely... Like, you'll just spam the chat with up, left, down, right. That's what's gonna happen. Oh my god, that is actually kind of funny. Wait, I kind of want to do that now. That would be kind of really funny, and also kind of mean, but also kind of funny. What the fuck is that inventory? Okay. Minecraft mods are weird. I shouldn't ask.
Don't know about it.
I mean, I don't even know, like, when knocks show up. Like, I don't know, like, if you have to be, like, on the Twitch website or something to actually see the knock. I don't know how it works. I've never, like, I don't think I've ever seen anyone do a knock. Like, I legitimately have no fucking clue how this works. I added it, like, a few months ago, and then nobody used it, and everyone was like, oh, knocking, this is kind of a weird feature, and then everyone just kind of, like, talks shit about it. That was the only thing that happened, and then nobody used it. So, like, I don't know what the fuck it even does, like, realistically. All I know is, like, it merges the streams or something? I don't know. Do I do it?
Why would you do that, LMAO?
I don't know why you would do it, but I think it's really funny. The idea of just randomly knocking on a Minecraft stream of someone that I haven't, like, really spoken to in years kind of sounds funny. The temptation is very much real. I'm gonna be honest.
Do it then, pretend you never DD.
No, that's lame. No, I think it's funnier to, like, acknowledge that I've done it and then just randomly just collab for no reason and, like, have nothing that we're doing be related at all. I think that's way funnier. think if you do press A and press B, you'll just type Z and X into the chat right now.
Press or presp.
Oh no? Wait, is the code broken? Wait, is the code broken? Wait. Do something? I didn't see press A or press B appear. It might be broken again. Huh. That's a genuine problem. I'll set it to like 3 seconds, the timeout. I'm also gonna re-enable those so that if it breaks again, we can kind of see what's actually happening. This is NES Chess, isn't it? Yeah, even though it's not actually NES Chess anymore. Okay, that should work. This is debug stuff, just ignore this. That'll appear like once every 3 seconds. But yeah, I don't really know why that's breaking as a problem, because I do need to actually like have that not break, ideally. I need that to actually kind of work and not fucking like not function. Would be fantastic if it did that. I wonder if the socket is just like automatically like disconnecting after a certain amount of time. I wonder if just like reconnecting manually like every now and then would be a good idea. Maybe not. Maybe that's a terrible, horrible idea and I shouldn't do that, but I don't know. That's probably a terrible idea, actually. Who knows? Breakfast sound. I still really want to knock and see what happens though. Although I think it would be a lot funnier if I did it when someone like Foxy was live instead. Not Arcane Foxy. That's a different Foxy. 2 Foxys spelled differently, different people. Confusing. I think Foxy would be funnier to do with. So I'll probably wait until like Foxy's live one day before I do that. Anyway, I think we should probably get back to this, which I guess actually means the prediction is over, right? We're actually getting back to the thing. Will we get back on track? It was yes. The answer was yes. You know, I'll do a new prediction just because I can. Just because I haven't ever done fucking predictions, I'll do a new prediction. Will chat make it to the first dungeon? Not beat the first dungeon, just make it to the first dungeon. That is the prediction. Will you make it to the first dungeon? Not even beat it.
What the fuck is this?
Not anything else. Just make it to the first dungeon. That is it. Also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna get a map up so we can actually see where we're supposed to be going. Because I have no fucking clue where we're supposed to be going, because I don't remember. Thank you, Reddit. Thank you, big Reddit wholesome chungus. Okay, so we start down here. The first dungeon is up there. Okay, so actually we need to go right, then.
Thank you for the gold, stranger.
So we need to go either right and then just straight up, or up, right, and then straight up until we get to this bridge. Then we go left and then we go in. That's it. That's all you need to do. Go right and then left, or up, right, up, left. That's it. That is it. Okay. The code is live, I'm pretty sure. So
I already forgot.
the map is literally right here, okay? So you want to go right and then up, or up, right, up, left. That's it.
007 GamesBond said. Fellow traveler versus kind stranger. Alien vs Redditor. Eddie Boy 94
Alien
said,
vs Redditor? That is
Right,
such an
right.
awful fucking
right,
message.
Right, right, right.
I believe in you.
Right.
You still have the sword. You don't have to get the sword again. If you make it to that middle gap, to that like
007
slightly
GamesBond
wider
said,
gap in the middle,
Right.
you can just go straight up.
Eddie Boy 94
Just spam up.
said. Right, 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 right. 007 GamesBond said.
I don't believe in
Up,
you
up,
anymore.
down, down. Eddie Boy 94 said.
I don't believe in you anymore.
Derb. Right. Repressor. Presser.
Oh no! Press it! Okay, well the answer to that was
I can't do
no.
it twice.
I mean, you could just like
007
spam press it like
said.
multiple times and the same
Press
message would work. I'm pretty sure. Okay, well the answer to that is no. You in fact did not make it to the first dungeon. Cool. I'm glad we did that. Great. I'm making use of predictions. I'm really like doing something important. I guess we can do it again if you want. We can do the same prediction again and just keep going until either we get there or like I don't know, like 10 more minutes have passed, I guess, because I kind of want to do other stuff and I don't want to sit here for like too much longer. This wasn't supposed to be like a long stream, so okay. You know where you're going.
Eddie Boy 94 said. I'd rather beat my wife in Takesha's challenge.
You know where you're going. You have the tag. Just make it to that big opening and then just hold up. That's all you need to do. Until you see the bridge and then
Right,
cross the
right,
bridge.
right,
That
right,
is it.
right,
That is
right,
literally
right.
all you need to do.
007 GamesBond said. Right. Eddie Boy 94 said. Right,
This is
right,
good.
right. Down.
This is good.
Down, down,
Okay.
down.
Right press A? Right press A?
Right, 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 presser.
Nice.
Oops.
Well, I don't think that even lasted that long. That was like a very short fucking, run, that one. Okay, off we go again.
This normally doesn't happen. Link is just so pretty.
My god. I mean, it kind of is. Like, they kind of made him, like, overly attractive for absolutely no reason. Especially in, like, the newer games. They've just kind of, like, intentionally made him very attractive, and I do not know why they made him so hot. Well, it's because they wanted him to be hot, is why. It was, like, an intentional design choice. They intentionally made him hot.
.007 GamesBond said. Right. Eddie Boy 94 said.
No, like, it's an actual
Yeah, this
thing.
new Zelda
Like,
game
they
called
actually,
Puck
like,
Puck is making
intentionally,
really hot
like, Nintendo made him hot because they wanted to appeal to women. That's actually the reason.
007
That's a real thing that they actually
GamesBond
did.
said. Down. Eddie Boy 94 said. Down, right, 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 right.
You could also try going up and then right as another thing you could do. But you could try taking the upper screen instead of the right screen here.
How
You got
do
choices.
Want to Link compared to big, hairy, veiny men?
I don't know.
Right.
I don't even really know what you just said, to be totally honest. Some degenerate shit, I'm sure. Okay, this is good actually. There aren't any Octoroks in the path right now. You can actually just go straight forward. Oh, wait. This is. Oh, wait.
Up.
Wait. Wait, just keep going up. Just keep going up. You've got this. Okay.
Up.
Oh my god. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I believe in you. You can do this. Keep going.
Up.
That was surprisingly close. That was like actually surprisingly close. I feel like that was at least almost to the third screen.
My fucking stream lagged.
Once you get into a line like that, you just need to keep going up.
Twitch chat blocked
Just spam as many ups as you possibly can. I think that's all you need to do at that point. Just spam as many ups as you possibly can once you get into a line like that. Because that is...
Eddie94 said, do a line.
Yeah, just do a line. Do a straight line. That's all you gotta do.
007 GamesBond said, there's a 30-second cooldown if your last one was the same.
Well, the good thing is your last message doesn't have to be exactly the same. You can just type up like 1,000,000 times and you will go up 1,000,000 times in the same message. There's probably a limit to it, to be fair, but I don't know what the limit is, so... Off we go! Attempt something. I believe in you. I'm ending the stream either as soon as you manage this, or as soon as, like, we hit, like, 40 minutes, which is like another 3 minutes.
Right.
Are you doubting me? You doubt Eddie? Well, it's not just Eddie. There's 007 GamesBond. Oh, the code is broken. That's fun. Okay, so... It's stuck in a loop where it's not even... What? I'm now more confused than I ever have been. It's... constantly cycling through these. So it's just constantly reading something, but there's nothing there, I don't think. Something in that?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it something in that?
Hold on a bit. Make sure. Can you like? I don't want to see this.
What?
I don't want to see this. Can you like collapse it? The if statement.
Oh, yeah, sorry, my bad. I forgot you can collapse if statements in Spider. Okay. Yeah.
Realistically, chat read successfully should probably be in here.
Yeah, I mean, it is reading the message. It's at least like taking something in. It's just.
Maybe we should print the chat message as well.
It's a good point. It's just gonna get really messy though. Whoops. And then... So... It's here, right? This should be... something there.
The pre-chat read.
So I was just wanting to see exactly where it broke, was the thing. And putting that there means that we know it's not breaking before it's even getting to the message. That's actually why. I just want to see where it was
Well,
broken.
you'd know that because nothing would happen.
But what if it was getting stuck somewhere else? You don't know.
Well,
And now we do know, so I don't actually need this anymore.
we don't if there's a true loop there.
But what if it was like getting stuck in something else, like down here or something? I don't know.
Right, okay.
But regardless. Okay, that should work then. No, I'm not running it. I'm literally not running it. You literally didn't watch me not run it. Oh, that's it. What? You're literally standing. What are you looking at if you're not looking at the screen?
The wall.
The wall? Why the wall?
What if Link wore makeup?
It's not a very
Man, that would be
interesting
funny.
wall.
He's
It's
a
just
boy,
white.
Yeah.
They'll probably break in at some point. Oh. I don't like the fact that that's the first message that came through.
Right.
I have no idea when it'll break again, so you probably don't want to be here.
Right.
So it'll probably take a long time.
Okay. One question. Do you have command like pressing A? Do you have to type press A?
Yeah.
Why can't you hit
Right.
A?
Because then anytime you have the letter A in a message, it'll...
No, but like space A space.
But then if you type the word A in...
Presser.
Well, yeah, if you type the word right in, it's going to make it go right. If you type the word A, it's going to make it...
Yeah, but if you were to say something like, I don't know, like, I want a sandwich...
Then you're pressing A.
Yeah.
What if someone's saying, that's right?
Then that's not my problem. We can have I want a sandwich. Are you gonna make me a sandwich? Oh. Okay, I'll make my own then in like a few minutes. It's gone past 40 minutes. Okay, we got distracted. We'll go to 45 and then I'll end to make up for like the 3 minutes that we lost to that. Okay. So prediction. No. I guess this will probably be the last one then.
Why didn't my UPS go through?
Why didn't your UPS go through? I don't know what that means. This will probably be the last run then, unless like you die very fast. And then I'm gonna leave. And abandon you all because I have better things to do.
Damn.
Like make a sandwich.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
8 rights, okay. Solid start, solid move, solid maneuver. If you just do a bunch of rights and then a bunch of ups, you'll probably make it.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
This is good. Oh.
Presser.
Just go up. That is all you need to do, just go up. That is literally it. That's literally it! Okay. Okay, you did it. Right, okay. Thank God. Right. Okay, no, you are fine right now, if you just don't move.
I wrote a message with a million ups and it didn't go through. Presser.
You died because you said up in the message where you said you wrote a message for a million ups. That is incredible.
Shit.
That's fine, it's not 45 yet, so technically you get one more run. You get one more run, one final run. And I think at this point, it's like pretty solid that you're probably not gonna make it, so I'm just gonna not even assume. Okay. Final run, and then I'm ending the stream after this. You get one more chance.
Right.
Okay, 8 rights. Solid start, solid opening. Get ready on the ups.
Right.
Oh my god!
Up. Up.
Okay.
Up.
Okay.
Up.
Oh my fucking god!
Blademaster _0
It
says.
broke again!
Den.
It
Boy
fucking
94
broke
says.
again!
Okay,
Why is
so
it still
message with middle
breaking?
for UPS gets
The log
deleted.
is still breaking!
Up.
A message more than 4 ups gets deleted? Uh-huh.
Up.
Oh wait. Right?
Up.
Oh no! You're so close!
Right.
Well-
Wreath. Fuck.
You gotta be faster than that.
Our rats.
Right. You gotta be faster than that. Well, I'm in this room now. I still don't know why the log is breaking. That is kind of a problem. Sometimes some messages just don't come through and the log crashes. And sometimes it gets stuck in an infinite loop for reasons that are still unknown. Something to do with this is the best assumption, but we don't know. So that needs more testing, which is unfortunate because I had a different stream planned for tomorrow. I don't even remember what it was. I just know I planned a different stream for tomorrow. What did I actually plan for tomorrow? So I don't really have time to test it at the minute, is the problem. Where's the schedule? There's the schedule. What did I even have planned? Oh, I didn't have anything planned for tomorrow. That's fine. We can test it again tomorrow. That's fine. Okay. We'll figure something out tomorrow, probably. Maybe. Potentially. And then as you can see, Saturday should be the stream where this actually gets put into practice, and then the day after that is something much more cursed. And then next week is just two random things that are both also very cursed. This one is going to be very, very cursed. That's all I'm going to say. And then the week after we also have something, right? Yeah, we have the System Shock Remaster co-op run. Huh. I actually have things planned for like 3 weeks. What the fuck?
The Team Fortress one is just based.
I actually have like things planned for 3 weeks consecutively. That... John, can you believe that?
What?
I have things planned for 3 weeks consecutively.
That's impressive.
I don't know.
Interesting.
Yeah, I have things like planned on a schedule for 3 weeks consecutively.
Ah, wow, it's almost like when you stopped being distracted and had a good thing. Work got done.
I disagree. Can I have a sandwich?
Okay.
I disagree. Can I have sandwich? Oh, that's fine. Yeah, I'll have hot dogs. That's fine. What, sorry?
Hot dogs are basically a sandwich.
Hot dogs are basically sandwiches, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's basically true. I'm going to stream there anyway. And we'll test this again tomorrow night. We'll look
What if
more
right
into it
before
and
Osama
see if
got
we
killed
can
by
get
the
it to
Navy
break
SEAL,
again.
He went to air
If we can get it to break again, we should have enough like things in place now to actually figure out why it's breaking. Hopefully. I still don't know why it's getting stuck in a loop though, is the thing. Because it fails to like pass the message somehow, and then it just gets stuck in a loop of trying to pass a message? I don't know why. Figure it out. I'll end the stream there. I don't think anyone's live that I can actually, like, raid, right? No. No, not really. Nobody that, like, it makes sense to raid off the stream
Almu.
anyway. Almia? I'm not raiding Almia. Not fucking raiding Almia. Oh, wait. Whoa, 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 whoopsie, I got lost. Wait, it got lost. Wait.
But he left Starbreeze.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
It's
whoopsie,
a
I got
bad
lost.
sign.
Wait. Wait. Why did it get lost? It was a ping. It was a ping. It was a ping. Okay. So it got lost because it was of, ping?
It was a pingas.
Well, I managed to get it to get lost once.
What do you mean got lost?
The whoopsie, I got lost thing that I added.
Oh, just what?
Yeah, it was a ping. It got lost because of a ping.
I don't know why I was doing it constantly.
I don't know why I was getting stuck in a loop. Yeah, that's the problem.
You get lost once, it's not a problem.
Yeah. I wonder if it's because it's like getting stuck on a ping somehow. Well, not this time it didn't get stuck, but it...
Whoopsie, I shit myself.
Oh, sorry? Yes, it should wait for any message, and if it doesn't get any message within 3 seconds, it just moves on. Yeah. So I don't know why it is getting stuck. Because it shouldn't be getting stuck. That is the problem. I don't know if that got picked up. I hope it didn't. I don't think it got picked up. I don't know. I'd have to look back. Anyway, I'm ending the stream. It's been like 50 minutes. It's not been 50 minutes. It's been like 2 hours actually because I started the stream like an hour before. Whoa! I got lost.
Is.
There's nothing else in there. It just says, "Whoopsie, I got lost." It just got lost. That's all it did. It's just permanently lost. Whoopsie, I got lost. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna control see it. And see if we can, like, see what actually showed up.
Probably not.
No, there's nothing there.
I like how the idea was whoopsie, I shit myself. That's the focus.
Yeah, it could just be Eddie saying, "Whoopsie, I shit myself." Also, I am harvesting all of your chat messages. Don't worry about it.
No, you're not, because you're erasing the each time you run it again.
I support any and all drama and hatred.
Yeah, I don't know why I got lost.
Harvest that shit.
I could try and look at the, what I could try and do is try and save the recording and then, like, look back on it frame by frame and see if I can find exactly what happened, but... I mean, I'll just, like, I'm gonna end the stream anyway, because when I end the stream, I'll look back at the recording and I'll look at what actually showed up before I did that, because it should have caught it, is the thing. It should have captured. I know. But I'm going to stream. I'm gonna have hot dogs, and then I'm gonna look at what happened and see if we can figure this out. I'm gonna get some sausage in me, some big juicy sausage in me. Good night.